This is Liberty stock number 50907. It's a Sunnen model ML-2000-DF power stroking hone, serial number 1L1-1532. Has a detachable coolant cart right there. And yeah, here we go.
All right, we're already under power, as you can see. So if you want to show anything on the sides or the control panel or anything.
Let's go to the control panel.
Yeah, I mean, you've got a little bit here to see. So the wings are up. You can kind of get a close-up of the insides. But it's my temp line coming in, the SO cord, currently wired at 220 volts. And the work lamp is not plugged in. It's still up. It's up there though.
All right.
You good? All right. So
Yeah. That's just,
all right. So we're just going to go. We'll do manual first. I think. Let me see if I got the air on. I don't know if I put it back on or not. Did I leave it on? Yeah. Okay. Air's on. Air's on. Manual. I should just get spindle. We can maybe run that up a little bit. So I'm just going to hit the pedal here. I should be able to turn this on. There's that. And a lock here somewhere. There it is. There we go. Let's lock that. We'll take it up. You can see them both. Here, let me get this out of the way, maybe. There we go. I'll take it up to whatever. It's almost 1,000. 15. Where's it go to? We go to 3. We'll take it up to 2 at least. 21. Sounds nice. Put your jack down. And let's leave that slow and easy. 600. Get off the manual and put the gate back down. And we can do a manual cycle too, I think. Yeah, we'll just, oh no, yeah, we get over on auto. On latch works, auto. And we're at stroker speed 85. We'll do a manual auto cycle, and then there's a button type cycle start also. Here's manual. You kind of watch the needle, and I'll bring it down to a set point. It is stroking now. There's me on the foot pedal. If I bring it down right about here, it takes over and latches up. Listen. There, I'm off the foot pedal, and it's feeding. If you stay on it tight, I think it's got a real nice, easy feed to it, and I haven't played with it. It does the same thing in auto cycle. It comes down, it picks up, it comes down real slow, right at 0 there. I don't have any extra stroke, so when it gets just right around 0, it shuts off. It's almost there. There's that. Now we'll do the same thing again off cycle start, and then we can play with the stroker speed up and down because it takes a good 40 seconds to get there. So again, cycle start in auto. We go, still at 600, and we got about a minute here. We can take that up so you can kind of see the stroker. I'll take it all the way, well, most of the way to 300. There's 180.
that's good.
Yeah, I mean, as long as the machine's level, I don't care, you know. 235, yeah. It's all the way up there.
I can't look at it.
There's 250, let me slow it down. It's a sewing machine, yeah. Here we go. 125. And let it finish off its auto cycle with, you know, far to go, almost on 0 there. And then there's that. So yeah, there's stroker jog. First time I tried it, I guess, yeah, stroker jog works. That's nice. One more time. I'm gonna leave it back. There. Done deal. Coolant, of course. That's on. Airline just came on, off, which opens up the solenoid over there. And we didn't do extra strokes, but there's extra strokes.
Okay.
I mean, it does it. I tried it before. We're good. We're good here.
Very good.